Hey guys, back with another video on Animal Company. Hope you guys liked the last one. I did 2 that day, and something going on. But I will say, oh god, all thanks to one person, which is named Just Toasty. Yes, he inspired me to play Animal Company. So shout out to Just Toasty. If Just Toasty does watch this video, thank you for putting me into this enormous little place. Also shout out to Nolan from Nolan's Flip Clips. And J-Man Curly there. He inspired me to make. All three of them to make. Inspired me to make even more content than I just had. Because originally I was just gonna do Sail and Beat Saber and maybe some other things, till I found Just Toasty. When I found Just Toasty, I was like, I should make a video on this. I will probably make another Animal Company video with my friend Eli and hopefully my brother Wesley. So Wesley is he's there. He's the one that made the trolling people on VR thing. Trolling people in Sail, yeah. So, he went out skiing as well. So, he will not be in this one. Oh, we're doing something with Animal Company. I do not know why, but it just had 2 dumb uploads in one day. Why am I lagging? I lag so much. Okay. Animal Company. Dashing through. Yes. Yeah, we're going in. Woohoo!
Hey, Dad, Just Toasty. Let's go.
It's not Just Toasty.
I don't know what to say about a fishy
It might be a replica, but that is not Just Toasty. Hook shot.
Oh.
Hook shot.
I'm
Spider-Man. I'm Spider-Man. Oh God. Oh God. Just Toasty. Big Just Toasty. Chill. Chill, dog. Bro, guys, I'm Spider-Man. I'm Spider-Man. I'm Spider-Man. Pulling together a train, bro. I'm from the Spider-Man, boy. I'm a Spider-Boy. What thing's at you? Yo, does anyone want to go to a private lobby? What?
Red watch.
These little kids.
I don't have red watch. You just called me. Holy, what? Yeah, but there was a glitch and I didn't get red watch, so it's good issue. Gold pickaxe!
Gold pickaxe has Adrian.
I don't buy any more things, bro.
Come here, Pete.
I'm gonna buy like 50 more flipping. I'm gonna go buy like 50 more of those flipping dumb grapplers. They're not actually dumb, they're actually really good. But like, still, why? Why do you need them? Because I need them. Chill, so sure. There it goes. Let's go. Okay. Oh.
kill people.
Come on, let's get a restart game, bro. Oh my god. I'm not able to do this one. I've heard people say, if you just look at it straight, it actually looks like the face on your character.
I'm just a chill guy.
No.
Yo, is that fucking banana?
Evelyn, if you're on it, get off.
Pa. Pa.
I will use
Help me. Being chased by a spider.
There's nothing in there, bro. There's nothing in there, by the way.
And where?
That is Ziggy the...
I hope you die in a fire. There's something going on above me. Not one, but two. There's a Spider-Man.
It's me. Come with me, bro. I have a surprise.
Spider-Man!
You got this little monkey right here.
Kill the big boy.
See it really quick? What happens if I eat it? He's not planted. Then nothing. Just go outside and save them, bro. Just go outside.
Hey, can I see it? No, can
Is it rare?
Yo!
no,
Yo,
no,
does anyone want to go to a private lobby?
No, that is rare. That is rare, bro. He's just trying to get
Whoever
it.
tries to
That
kill my
is rare,
thing,
bro.
after you.
Well, stash it, bro. Stash it. Put it in your stash.
Yo, do one of you guys want to go to a private lobby?
And do what? And if I drop it in
I don't know.
Keep
Mine?
it then. That's rare.
Mine like you normally do?
big broccoli.
Because I kind of just want to.
Alright, you know,
Their aim's terrible.
I'm gonna die. That just say bye to a balloon
I'll
and
let
whoever gets it
you have my backpack.
What kind of aim is that? He's right in front of you.
What does it have?
I can't see.
I accidentally bought revolver. This guy's terrible.
His aim is gorgeous. Did you see his aim?
He big, bro. He's fat.
Just like you.
He a fat boy.
Can you come up here real quick? I need to talk to you right here. I need to talk to you. Did I almost...
Oh wait, I have unreleased items. Oh my god, I'm so dumb.
Hey guys, go in the red wall.
Did you kill me, boy? Trust me, you made the biggest mistake.
Yo.
Shoot, I didn't mean
Yo, does anyone want to go to a private lobby?
Whoa.
Yeah,
You made a big mistake.
You wanna trade a stick? This is really rare.
Where is he? Oh, you can fight someone?
I hear a spider.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Oh, yo, what's up, spider?
Doing here.
What's up? What's up, dummy?
Where are you?
My box!
Can't step off the sea zones. So fun.
Oh, I got a cube.
Oh, that's
Giggity
tough.
giggity goo. I don't like you.
Oh, that's crazy.
Giggity giggity goo. I don't like you. So funny. It's so funny. I forgot to laugh. Hey!
Yo, Brad, chill. I don't have anything on me, so. Yo, We got a red watch. And we got a red watch on the loose.
Hey guys, black and the red watch.
I already killed him.
You did? I'm still gonna have these. Wait, we got a red watch. We got a red watch over here.
Red watch.
I killed the red watch.
What are you doing?
Whoa.
Yo, Black, what you doing there?
What you doing there, buddy?
Come on.
Oh man.
That's stuff.
Peace. Can you not take my? Can you not take my? No, bro, no, give me it back. Please give me it back.
I love pickaxes.
Bro, no, give me my pickaxe back. Give me my pickaxe back.
Go get it.
Give me my dad back.
Now they're gonna
Right now.
I'll kill you alive.
Get him! Yeah, Orange, get him! Oh yeah! Bro, if you do not give it back, you're Gale and Kuno crosses.
Then I don't care.
Whoever wants to die, say your ending.
This is crazy.
Oh, what the
What
hell?
if I just sell it?
I don't want this.
I'm gonna watch these guys.
Sell this. Just say it.
Bong!
I'm gonna sell it.
Bong!
I sold it. Let's go.
Ooh,
Ow!
broccoli.
Oh, you guys thought it was a new
Red
Bro, I stole this.
Hi guys.
Is that a broccoli?
Nope. It's mine.
Broccoli.
I'm going to a different lobby. You guys are too rude. You guys are too rude.
Broccoli.
Do not let me get in your Gale and Kuno crosses.
Hurry, get it. Guys, can I say where to get it?
Yo, does anyone want to join a private lobby?
Get it. Guys,
No, but I want to join the sex lobby, bro. Where I can touch boobs and stuff, bro.
Hey, yo!
If you don't know how to guys, I want to join the sex club, bro.
Spider-Man!
Touch everyone's boobies.
You're gay! No! My grandma!
want attention. Want attention.
There's sticks in there.
No, Johnny, you want
Please give me a white bag.
Who dares me to eat it?
Me.
Can somebody check the lava map?
Can someone please give me a white bag, please?
Guys, who guess what's in? Guys, first one guess what's in here. First one guess what's in here.
Nothing.
Grapple, come back here.
OG items.
What?
Here.
Anybody want to go to Haunted Mansion to get blue crystals and
My question is, do one of you guys want to go to
please
a
get a
private
white
lobby?
bag?
I'm not dying. I'm Spider-Man.
To get the blue crystals.
Do one of you guys want to go to a private lobby?
I'm going to the city.
Do one of you guys want to go to a private lobby?
Can someone please give me a white bag? Please, can someone please?
I'm not ending until this
Can
is
someone
end.
please give me a white bag? Guys, I'm going to Haunted Mansion to get a lot of money.
Oh, we're almost here. I think everything is so small and tiny. Yes.
Bye.
This is good. Guys, I'm at the very top of the tallest tree, which is where you guys are under.
Whoa.
Yes. Oh, sick.
Let me see.
Nice.
What is this? What's this? What's this? Stupid flashlight. No, my stupid flashlight.
I want flashlight. I want flashlight.
Bro,
God, there's Spider-Man.
Talking, quit.
Training a grappler.
Whoever just spoke into the walkie-talkie, quit.
It would just stop when they're talking.
I'm training a grappler. I'm trading a broccoli for a grappler.
Let's go into Haunted Mansion.
Ooh, a broccoli for a grapple?
Yo.
Yeah.
A broccoli
and you also
for a
have to take me
grapple?
to the lava map. You also have to take me to the lava map.
grapplers.
Hey, hey!
Two grapplers.
Okay. You also have to take me to the lava map.
Okay.
Okay, give it to me.
Wait, yo,
join the private
Orange, I
code.
got you,
Bet.
buddy.
I'll do
I
it.
can get you there in 5 seconds.
let's
Just
Come on.
kidding.
Let's join the
Alright,
private
okay.
code.
I need a bag, I need a bag. I'm just gonna get it.
Come on.
I do. I want to go to Haunted Mansion. Alright, first grab a pickaxe. Grab a pickaxe.
Alright, drop the grappler.
Why do we need a pickaxe? Why do we...
Okay, Orange. Okay, Orange.
Here,
All
have
you
this
really
bag,
need
have this bag.
is
I
a
have an OD
grappler,
tablet. I
which I
have
will
an
give
OD
you.
tablet. I have an OD tablet.
Let me see.
There you go, right there.
And also
Grab it.
take me to lava map.
Have things read this.
Oh, okay, I'll carry this. And a rocket. Unless if you just want to swing using the grappler.
Yeah, just swing using the grappler. Alright.
Okay. Well, I'm not the best at the game, so I'm just gonna grab a rocket. Oh
Alright, let's go, come on.
my god.
We're gonna go to the lava map. I wanna get some of those.
I'm not grabbing. No, I don't want to flip.
Who does not want a plunger?
Alright, let's go.
Orange, where are you?
Right behind you. So so this is how you get to lava map?
Wait for me. I'm going to Haunted Mansion too.
No.
Yep.
This is a very fast way how to get to lava map. I thought you just died there for a sec. I was like, oh god.
I was going to Haunted Mansion.
Is that the red light, green light guy?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, bro, he dead. He a dead boy.
Animal Company has.
Look.
Are you guys going to Haunted Mansion? just like
Okay,
me?
so.
No,
No. Stop. Set it up. Do not move. Do not move.
bro. I've been.
You just want to come up here. Come up here.
Actually, are you guys going to the lava map?
Yeah,
I'm
we're
not.
trying to get a glitch.
Someone buy me
Okay, so
big
come
pack.
to here, come
Oh,
to
I already
here,
know the glitch.
but then just drop down.
Okay.
Drop down and you get to those trees.
I'm going to.
Yep, drop down and come my way. Right here.
Where do I go?
Do you see where my grappler is coming out?
Where are you?
Oh god.
Right here, right here,
Where? Oh, I see you.
right here.
Yo, where you at?
Come
I'm
on,
the person
come
from the light in
Come
the
on,
cave.
come on, let's go. Where?
Come down to the
Come right here,
bottom.
come right here, come right here. And then come here.
Okay.
Now, this is the hard part. This is why I really need. Where are
I'm
you?
right behind you. I'm right here.
Okay. So, since you only have a grappler, you're just going to grapple onto that wall and swing. Right there's a lava map, since I'm not good.
This rock right here.
No. Okay, no. Yeah, here, but like grab onto like here.
Like right here.
And then you just want to swing.
Like what
Yep, and then you just want to swing.
do you mean?
You just want to swing down there. So, what I would prefer is you come over here, you grab on, and then you swing. But I'm not very good, so I have a rocket.
Green, mind if I add you before my head?
Very easy way.
Thank you really a lot.
Did you make it? Over here to a better place, and then grapple right here. Okay. Yep. Yo, Orange, did you make it to the lava map? I'm behind a wall. I'm behind a wall. Oh God. Okay, I'm good. So good. I'm out of your sight. Close to midnight. I don't have anything. Yep, the thing that I do have is a piece of broccoli. Oh.
I'm gonna go back to yours because I need to grind for research points.
I want to get boom boom weapon.
Cause midnight.
I want to grind research points in sewers.
Yes.
You do? Hey bro, I sent you a request. Hey bro, I sent you. No, don't empty that. You're gonna take it. You're welcome. He's riding me, boy.
Oh my God, thank you.
Wait, yo, can you guys wait for me in sewers?
Oh,
Yeah, sure.
I gave this kid stuff he needs. Hey bro, we all need survival tools. We all need survival tools.
Rock.
Thank you.
Who wants to go mining?
And
Get rid of this book bag. I want this book bag.
I'll get a grappler, aka a hook shot.
You pick that
We're
look.
good. Okay, I'm coming down to sewers.
I'm dead.
I'm coming down to sewers now. I'm coming down to sewers. Yo, bro, you can't exit that way. Yo, you can't exit that way. The person that's going off the sewers, you cannot exit that way. It's a glitch. You just get stuck there
Who
forever.
has broccoli? I know how to say.
I do not.
Yeah, those are like trash rocks.
But yo, you got light? Someone got light?
Can somebody
where
help
are
me,
you?
please?
Where are you at? In sewers.
Found a
There's
new
no light.
method that may work.
I'm not a girl. Are you kidding me?
Like a
Hello.
new method that.
Yo, hi. Hi. What's up, boy? Ah, ah. Hurt you? How can you jump that high?
Where are you?
I'm going to red light, green light.
Yo, let me mine.
Oh, nice. You guys already got red light, green light?
Guys.
Yes. That's doing
Let
good.
me mine.
I have a
Hey,
different
bro,
method
I'm
that
the
may
closest
work.
one to owning the. I'm pretty sure I'm the. Bro.
Where are you? My friend. It's like that loop.
And I have 0. I just need 3 and I can get the diamond pickaxe.
I'm Spider-Man.
I own the Yeah, I own the Guys, beware. I wanna own it.
Okay. Bombs and Coda. Guys, be careful, Coda. Guys, be careful, Coda.
Heck no.
Uh-oh. Who angered Coda? Who angered the Coda?
Be after me.
He just goes after someone random, bro. Coda, what do you want, boy? What do you want? I don't got no nothing.
Kill him. Yes, let's go. Help. I'm low. I killed him. Yes, good boy. Thank you.
Good boy.
Who has A pistol.
It's actually called Coda. His name is actually pronounced Coda.
Are you guys
You
doing
can see by his name tag.
Alright, come on, let's go mining. Let's go be little good miners we are.
No, there's no. Maya actually grabbed the flippin'.
Let's be good little miners we are.
Where are you guys?
Wait for me to go to Solas. Wait for me.
Okay, let's go. Let's
I'll
be careful
control
of
it.
the like green light.
I understand it now.
I understand it now. Go on. Stop blazing me! Okay, hold on, let me move.
Don't worry, I got my baby boy. Bro,
I'm a Spider-Man, bro! I'm a Spider-Man guy!
You weren't built by a human, buddy.
Bro, kill him with no hesitation. Bro, stop moving.
Oh, we changed
Stop
it.
glazing on us!
So they brought us nothing good.
Guys, wait for me.
How am I moving?
What the frick?
Wait, hold on. Let's just try to get out of here, bro.
Take myself in your game.
Let's get to zero grav. Yo, bro, let's get to zero grav.
Give me the vector. Give me the vector. Give me the vector.
I'll go to zero ground.
Anyway, hop in the back.
Wait for me.
Holy!
Guys, let's get to teleportation. Guys,
Let's go.
guys, let's get to zero. Guys, let's get to zero.
Let's get to 0 G's, bro.
Exactly.
Get to 0 G's.
Hi guys.
Wait, does someone have a light? Someone have a light?
No. Holy!
We need a light.
Oh!
Be careful, Coda. Be careful, Coda.
Coda's here. Coda's here.
Coda.
Company
Coda,
one.
come and respond. Okay, guys, come over here. Guys. Guys.
Will I dive in?
Guys, over here.
No!
Come on, Coda.
You will die. You will die. We're like diamonds in the sky. Use the pickaxe.
Bro, here's my pickaxe. Here's my fucking pickaxe.
Move back.
Come on, run.
Coda! Give it!
You can hurt me, Coda. Oh, I'm stuck. Oh my god, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm fucking stuck. I can't move. Look it. Guys. Bro.
Good luck.
Bro, I'm out. No. Don't grapple. Get out. Oh my god. Oh. I can't even move. I can't even get out.
You in for your... Wait, do we move that?
Guys, I'm flipping stuck.
They removed it?
I was gonna get out.
For how? Man, I wish I had the Valentine's Day. Everybody wait, that's...
Oh, get me out.
Why should I?
Get me out! I'm gonna quit this game. Oh my... Oh. I'm fucking just stuck. God. Can you guys come back to the very beginning of the sewer run? Please, I have no lights and I'm stuck. Where are you guys? Guys, please come
and I
back.
got lava.
Where are you guys?
I can't find a cracker, bro. I have a lot of bags.
Where are the people that are in sewers? The people that are in sewers, which way did you go? People that are in sewers, which way did you guys go? Dropped it, but I don't know where, bro. The second time. No, and I dropped it again. Oh, I don't care.
Guys, let me go with you up front.
Two things, and I lost. God.
I have a bag of snowballs.
Yo, can you give me like some?
I don't even know what's in
something?
here.
Or like at least
Hey, yo,
one?
guys.
I'm gonna.
Who plays Blookit? Who plays Blookit? Or who knows what Blookit is?
Me.
So today I'm doing a little live stream where we're doing Blookit.
Is PvP on?
Yo, let me join. I shall give away stuff for absolutely no
Oh, it's just
reason.
empty backpack.
Okay. I mean, we can't really. You want?
Me. I got a red flashlight. I wanted to duplicate it, but it didn't work. Guys,
Goes to me. All the way over here, and boom.
I have a bag full of those crystal things. You know those lava crystal things in the new map? I have a lot of bags full of that.
Can I get one of them? I have nothing, bro. I'm poor, bro. I have $33 to my name. Oh God, no. There's a bag. Okay. Might just be able to get up. Might be able to get up here. I don't even know, bro. I don't even that good. Oh God! Pinch, 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 jump, jump, pinch, jump, pinch, jump, jump, pinch, jump, pinch. Goes midnight. Jump, pinch, jump. I could, but I need like 500. Yes. What? Where? Where? Where, bro? Where? I can't see anything.
Just want
Hey, I'll trade you for that like blue bag or whatever.
No, like.
Do you have a? Does anybody have a blue crate? Anybody got blue crate?
What am I doing?
Or like an OG?
No.
I already have the light.
We should check down.
Oh, frick! I was getting closer to landmine.
Oh, what you got in there?
Bro, I've been
I
playing.
wonder what's in there. What you got in there? What you got?
Who's a real OG? Who's a real OG?
Bro, I'm literally. I am a real OG. I am a real OG.
Nobody asked!
I am a real OG. Bro, I played. Dude, I played when you weren't even able to buy anything. There was a part in the game where you literally weren't able to buy anything.
I've been playing this like 3 days ago, bro. I'm just trying to get things. Like, I could jump over here and do all this, and I could still teleport back. That is just crazy to me. Crazy that people have been playing. It really hasn't even been what this game is today. We can actually see this code is and where the heck the stuff is. I want hook shot. I want hook shot. Boop. I don't even have enough. Oh, I don't even think I have. Oh my god, this is good. I have to get back up. Well, yeah, since I'm like a really good gorilla tag. Not the best gorilla tag player, but still pretty good gorilla tag player. I could just boom.
Guys, someone needs to mine so I can collect.
Oh yeah, true. Okay.
Come here. Grappler for this. Oh wow, he's so scary. He has.
I'll trade.
Yo, bro, who wants to see something?
Okay, give it. Where's the grappler? Okay.
I don't think
drop the grappler. I'll drop this. I swear on my life.
Now
let's do the 3, 2, 1 thing. Alright, you go over there.
You don't have one. Oh.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, drop.
I played when quests were still in the game.
Alright.
We don't care.
It's not loading.
Your blocks.
What do you want to friend me?
Your opinion.
Oh, this kid thing. Oh, that's free. That's not even cool. That's free. Dude, this guy is showing off cosmetics that literally came out Christmas.
Bro, I've been playing for like 5 days, bro. Chill.
I wasn't talking to you. I'm talking to the white guy. The white guy believes that he really played before me. But he didn't.
I played before you, bro.
You played before the quest. You played before the quest.
I can't even hear you, bro. I don't think this kid understands what being bossy. I don't even know what he says.
That's crazy.
You know what I say?
Oh my god.
You suck.
Please say. You little youngster.
Yo, bro, why don't you go to a private lobby?
Do you want to get banned?
I'm
taking a picture of your name real quick.
For doing
Do you want to get banned, bro?
This kid's trying to ban me for
Broccoli.
literally saying that I play this game.
It's Polo Broccoli.
That's crazy.
No, and then you're being toxic because I barely have any cosmetics.
Oh shoot.
That's crazy. That's crazy, though. That's crazy.
What happened?
That's crazy.
Because I need space.
He left.
Don't even.
He left. Wait. What happened? What happened?
That loser just left, bro. I can easily get him banned.
Wait.
No, I can get him banned.
Wait.
My friend.
Wait. What happened?
I can get the yellow guy with the the taco hat banned.
Yeah, I know.
You know why? Because he was being toxic because I barely had any cosmetics and he was getting mad.
You give me that I give you.
Yeah, sure.
Alright, you want to go to a private lobby though? I do not have as much money.
I only have $90.
I'm kind of poor.
I can help you.
No.
I'm kind of poor. Okay, go to code. Go to code Big Red 1. Go to code Big Red 1. I need a friend, lean on me. I need a friend, lean on me. I need a friend. We go, no PvP. I need a friend, lean on me. We need a friend, lean on. If you do not get me in the game, I'll get you from canceled. What do you mean disconnected? I'm about to flippin' murder your family.
At anyone. This is a different setup.
You said anybody please donations? Anybody please donations?
Yo,
Donations?
does anyone want to go to a private lobby?
I'm doing donations, anything donation? Yeah, sure. Pumpkin jack. Donation? Anybody donation? Donation? Yes, I can get you a pumpkin jack. Oh, take this football, bro. Take this football.
How?
This donation? Oh, a football. Thank you. Oh, a football.
Yo, guys, does anyone want to go to a private lobby?
Yeah, it is your sport, so I should give it to you. You want black, you need it.
Thank you.
Is this backpack good?
Thank you.
Yo, who got a pumpkin? Hey, you wanna trade the pumpkin for the apple?
Good. God bless you.
Follow
I
me.
have an apple.
Yo,
That's just for a donation. I have
Have
all the
apple.
rare food at donation.
I got broccoli, boy!
Everybody has broccoli.
And I got the
I
broccoli!
think broccoli's good.
Just grab it.
I have
very
5
quick,
book
okay?
bags of it.
Yo, is this bag with like a flashlight on it?
Grab it, grab it.
Can I get one? I want one.
Look, this is tablets. Tablets. You think tablets are
No,
okay?
is this
Tablets are like not even rare.
No.
Nothing
Yes, it
is
is.
rare in this game.
It's not very
Everybody
rare, but it
duped
is very
it.
rare. Keep it. It's very good.
Exactly.
I have another
What is
good
every-
bag.
Can I get a broccoli bag?
Shit, give me the bag.
broccoli. I got
I'm
broccoli.
just trying to put it inside. You, purple. Come on, purple. You're on my life.
Boss Spider-Man. Can someone give me a guapua?
Give it to you up here, then. Hey, you. Don't you want a pumpkin? Okay. Yo, black. Grab it.
No, I am not
Grab
trading it.
Come here.
You grab it. Grab it.
Purple.
Hey, grab it. You grab it.
Can I get a guapua?
Purple.
Purple with pumpkin, right here, right here.
Pumpkin because you're white.
Grab it, the
Is there anything
Purple with
You. Nothing's there. I've been asking you for so long. Come here.
Purple. Is this bag good?
Nothing's there.
Is this bag good?
Nothing's there.
Purple.
Nothing's there. Too, but I have that too.
Somebody to lean on. You just chucked his
Purple,
bag.
come to the elf thing. Purple, come to the elf thing.
It'll make my battery life a lot better.
I'm donating.
It's a suitcase. It's one donation. I'm busy doing donations and nobody. Oh my god. Who wants? You know what? No one's getting anything. No one's getting anything.
Pumpkins.
No one's getting anything.
Oh god.
No one's getting anything. No one's donating. Okay.
I have that bag.
I see the pumpkin.
RP1 enter. Oh, this will be the end. Okay, this will be the end of the video. If you guys like this one, yeah, it might not have been as long as my other videos, but still here. Yes, I'll probably use broccoli, but my next video will be themed on one normal thing, but I need to get money for it. But I also have another sale video coming out. It will be pretty cool. It's also going to be themed. So, hope you guys like this. See you guys next time.